iPub version 4 Digital Signage System Guideline Basic Procedures. First, installation. Double-click the installation package. Before installation, please uninstall previous version or Tomcat or my stock software if any. Warning: please turn off virus detection programs while the installation. Next, change the folder if you prefer. Next, install. It takes about 1 minute. Please wait for a while. Okay, finish. So first time, please wait for about 30 seconds before login. The preferred browser is Chrome or Windows IE 8 or above. Here is a quick start icon. Click the quick start icon. It will open a default browser and a local loopback address. You can open another browser and type the IP address of the server. For example, for login, username, admin, password 123456, corporation ID, demo, verification code, press login. The basic things: first one, media content, upload. First we upload media files, audio, photo, or video. You can browse your computer. Select the files or drag and drop and upload. Directly drag and drop. Drag and drop. Upload. Done. This is the file list and a thumbnail view. You can change to list view, file name, size, audit time, state. Next, composer. We can create a campaign using the files just uploaded. Loop campaign is the most popular type used. New a loop campaign. The name is any you preferred. Demo loop 1. Demo loop 1. This loop campaign is just a name, a container. The real thing is program. We knew a program. Demo program 1. And here, this resolution parameter is very important. You should select the right resolution according to your screen. For example, high definition, Full HD. If the screen is rotated vertical, you can select this one. Loop campaign, new campaign, new program, and then edit layout and edit content. Edit. First is layout, image area, video area, another image area, text. Text size, font size is automatically depends on height. For text, there are advanced configurations: color, background color, foreground color, and different sky style, step to left, and speed or multi-line. Save. Next, edit the content. Click the area and select files. These files are those we uploaded just now. Add, and we can edit the parameters. For example, playtime change from 5 seconds by default to 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Close. Video. Select the videos. Add. Next, text. Text is not uploaded. You can directly edit here. This is a sample line. Another one. This is a sample line 2. Okay. So now we have finished create a campaign and a new program. The campaign is red and its status is unchecked. Audit, just like save, and its status changed to checked. Next, player. Player can be manually registered or automatically registered. manually new type the player ID 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Name anything. Player 1. The player ID, we can get player ID from the screen. Press remote control info key to check the ID from the player. OK. Another way is automatically register. If the player is correctly configured, network parameter, network type, and values, server IP port, download port, and control port, corporation ID null. If corporation ID is null, empty equal to demo corporation ID. All these parameters correctly configured, and the network connection is OK. Then the player will automatically register to the server, and we can list them on blacklist. Select the player and register. It will be then moved to the normal player list. Here, publishing. If the player is connected to the server, its status will change from offline to online, and we can select the player and click the playlist button and choose a loop campaign set, and this campaign will be synchronized to the terminal, to the player, automatically via network. All the playlist and media files will automatically be downloaded via network to the player. The download status can be checked here. Download status and also campaign status is equal or not equal. Also, we can do some advanced control. For example, remote control, remote reboot, screenshot, demand play, and also scheduled. For example, every day 12 reboot, scheduled monitor, and also upgrade via network. Select the player, click upgrade button. Upgrade software, player software, and firmware, including operating system and bootloader, and config. For example, the player's volume is 6, but it's too bigger, too large. Then we can create a new configuration list. Server address should be correct. Port should be correct. Volume. Change volume from 6 to 2. Save. Audit. Then we can upgrade this config to the terminal. All this network action required several things. First, server IP. The server IP should be correct for all the players. Server IP, server port, download port and control port, and also player IP. We can use DOS command ipconfigure to get the server IP. And also, if all network and server configurations are correct, but the player is not online, we can telnet the server. With the port to check if the port is correctly configured. All black is OK. Good. The server IP and port is correctly configured. Also, we can use the tool set up iPub4 to check if all the server services are running. Service, database service running, control service, website service. If one or several services are stopped, we can start them. And also, if port is conflict, we can change to another port. If port changed, you should save and restart the services. Also, if server port is changed, player's server configuration parameters should be changed also. So the basic procedure is content, upload, and then create loop campaign and create programs. Audit the campaign. And for player, manually or automatically register them to the server. If they are online, we can control and publish playlist to the terminal. That's all for the basic themes. Thank you.